Hello, I'm the letter E.
Hello, letter E. This is the letter E. Can you see the letter E? Here is the capital E and the small e. Elephant begins with the letter E. Big and friendly elephant. Elephant begins with the letter E. Hello, hello. Egg begins with the letter E. A small wobbly egg. Egg begins with the letter E. Tick, tick, tick. Energy begins with the letter E. Jump, jump. Energy. Energy begins with the letter